always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Well, I wanted to paint a snowman, but it's hard to see the white paint on the paper.
Could you use darker paper?
Hedgehog, that's a great idea. Look, now you can see my snowman.
That looks really good, Pig. Can I paint too?
Of course.
Mr. Goose, we're painting with white paint on dark paper. Can we make white the color of the day?
Hedgehog, that's a great idea. Presenting white. Which rabbit is white? There it is. White rabbit. Which goat is white? There it is. White goat. Which dish is white? There it is. White dish. Which flower is white? There it is. White flower. Sensational!
I'm crunching leaves, but only white leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
Colors fill our world like a rainbow that's unfurled, painting earth and sky, the colors of my life. many beautiful colors, like the color white. White is here and there. I see it everywhere. White is all around, in the sky and on the ground.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Billy to the Rescue. It's about a fire truck who is worried about something. I wonder what it is. Let's begin. Billy to the Rescue. Written by Mamaloko Selepe. Illustrated by Samantha Van Riot. Billy is a fire engine. Fire! Fire! Says a firefighter. Oh no! Let's go! Says another. But Billy loves being clean and shiny. I don't want to get dirty, he says. Billy, the animals need you, say the firefighters. Billy, the plants need you. Billy, the people need you. Please, Billy, we all need you. Am I that important? Billy asks. Yes, you are. Let's go. Thank you, Billy, everyone shouts. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called The Ants Go Marching. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. Now let's all sing together. But this time, the ants are marching 2 by 2. Sing along with us. Here we go. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. What number is next?
3!
Right! Here we go! The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3. The little one stops to climb a tree, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. What's next?
4!
Let's sing! The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. Now how many ants?
5!
Yes! Here we go! The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5, the little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. Boom! That was wonderful. Thank you for singing with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Shapes. Circles. Triangles. Ovals. Stars. Squares. Rectangles. Hey, I have an idea. Look! Hi, pal. Let's look for triangles. Do you see one? Let's look for another one. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you! Look what I see! A butterfly! Let's watch it flutter! Hello, little butterfly! Hey, monkey, cut that out!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.